So hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you the unboxing of Grabox. So actually these are the products I received in this month's Grabox. So totally I received 6 products worth 990 rupees and I paid just 239 plus 60 rupees shipping charge, which is altogether 300. So I received these products in this box. They have changed the quality of the box. This box is actually very good quality. So and these products were packed in this cover. And yes, the first product I received is this Magno mud mask. This is made out of 100% bentonite, calcium bentonite, and this priced at this is 250 rupees, which has 3 years of expiry date, and it is freshly packed. So yes, this product is their own in-house brand, and this is the first product. And the second product I received is this Facon lip balm, chocolate lip balm, which is 150 rupees. And yes, this is how it looks, and it exactly smells like of chocolate. And this is their second product. And the third product I received is this eyeliner from Mars, and it is waterproof, and its price is 160, no, it's 190 rupees, and I have swatched it here. And the fourth product I received is this lipstick from Matte Look, and its shade number is 40. So I hope you can see this, and I swatched it here so you can see the swatch. Actually it is a very beautiful red color. So this product is a common product. Actually everything is a common product, and everyone will receive the same lipstick red color in every box. And the final product is, sorry, the fifth product is this DIY compressed mask sheets. Actually what we have to do is we have to put it in our favorite solution, whichever you like. If you want to use rose water, you have to soak these tablets into the toner, and later it will come out as a mask, which you can use it on your face. So these are 2 tablets. These are worth 20 rupees and total 40 rupees. And the last product I received this is this brush, eye makeup brush from the brand, I don't know the brand name. I think this is the brand name Magic Eye Charm, or I don't know. So 2 eye brushes, and it is priced at 160 rupees, and the quality of the brush is actually very good. I like it. So these are the products I received in this month's Grabox. So it is a total worth of 990 rupees, and we are paying just 300 rupees. So the star product I can say is this Magnum mud mask, which I'm yet to try. I'll post a review of this. And this lipstick Matte Look from Matte Look, and these compressed mask sheets. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.